Zilla carbon fiber intake tube installation guide. Step 1. Loosen airbox clamp and throttle housing clamp. Step 2. Disconnect the CCV2 from the factory intake. Step 3. Remove the factory intake by rotating it vertical and pulling upward. Step 4. Disconnect the CCV2 from the valve cover. Step 5. Pre-install the 100mm clamp to the small end of the silicone coupler and install coupler onto the throttle housing. Tighten the clamp to 85 pound-inches. Step 6. Pre-install the accordion TPE coupler to the intake tube along with the 116mm clamp. Step 7. Install the intake tube assembly onto the airbox and the silicone coupler. Step 8. Secure the other end of the accordion coupler to the airbox using the 113mm clamp. Step 9. Tighten the other 113mm clamp onto the silicone coupler. Step 10. Install the new molded CCV hose along with the 2 hose clamps. Installation complete.